Alright, we got a Raptor 350 here. It's doing the same thing as a 660. Just spinning over. Just turning over, no compression. So we are going to open her up. We took the plastics off already. Kind of got a jump start on it on accident. Forgot to start recording. Let's just look at her. This is the son's new project. Getting rid of the old blaster. Trading it up for the Raptor 350.